So next we have to study is about the characteristics of coordination. There are a few characteristics, or how we can say that how this coordination is very much important. So coordination integrates group efforts. The need for coordination is felt when group effort is needed for the accomplishment of an objective. So when coordination is required when a group of members, if one person is doing, then there is no need of any coordination. So means he will do according to his likes, so automatically there will be coordination. So there is no need of any coordination, or and the coordination is it is a created one, not automatically coming. There should be somebody to create a coordination. Okay. So that is the difference between coordination and cooperation. Cooperation means that it is by default, means we cooperate with somebody else. It is nobody, because it is coordination is created, or it is an official one. Means in an organization, you are part of the organization, and the manager itself is trying to create a coordination. Do you understand? Cooperation means that you cooperate by yourself. So you cooperate with your friend, you cooperate with anyone, So that is automatic. So it is according to your likes and dislikes. It is also not connected. And you cooperate with someone because it is your own interest. But coordination is not like that. Coordination is a kind of a compulsory one. Okay, so means it is needed. It is you cannot say that it is compulsory one. It is by your own will you have to cooperate with the other, or you have to coordination also. But it is a created effort. Okay, so means we make a relationship. We try to create this contact, and if things are not going smoothly, like if purchase department is there, production department is there, if they don't coordinate, then we have to do some action against that. So such a way, it is a kind of, we can say that it is in a forceful way, or it is an organized way. It is created. Okay, and when there is a group, then only this coordination is to be created. Then coordination ensures unity of action. So the action that we are doing, there should be unity among the action that we are doing. So if whatever actions that is done, like imagine that if one person is doing, imagine that it's like a building construction is there. So we have to make one room. So then one person is making the wall, one person is making the window, another person is making the door. So there are different activities that the different people are doing. But there should be unity. Then see, like if the window is made, so the one who is making the wall should see to it that how much is the size of the window, and then he should leave the space that how much space is required, that much space he has to leave it. Or this wiring is made, so there are pipes inside, and that accordingly when the wall is made inside itself, they have to arrange it. So where the bulb is to be coming, there they leave a spot there. So that a hole should be there, so that there will be a bulb can be attached, or a fan can be attached. So such a way it has to be arranged. Otherwise, the coordination cannot be achieved. Do you understand? So different activities are there, different works are done by different people, but all the action should be going in a unity. So when there is coordination only, this will be possible. Like imagine that if the door is made, so the outer door is made in this size, and the closing one, that outdoor, if it is made in another size, if it is big size, then it cannot insert it there, and if it is small size, there will be a gap in between, and air and all will be coming, so we will not be able to close it properly. So our window is made, so there are 6 parts are there, and the size of the window and the size of that closing one, that closure, that cap, that also should be equal size. So they should be matching, otherwise it will not function properly. So whatever the things that the people are doing, that all the efforts should go, there should be a unity. Okay. Then next one, coordination is a continuous process. Okay, so for all the activity that we are doing, it should be there. For every efforts that we are doing, there should be coordination. Simply for just for one action, it is not required, but for doing all the kind of activities, we need to have the coordination. Okay, so means one after the other, just by doing one activity, and we do one activity in coordination, and after that no need of coordination, not like that. As I told you about my cooking, first week coordination was there, but the second week the coordination is lost, then everything is lost. One person is, if there are 3 people or if there are 10 people in a group, and if one person is not following the rules, then it will collapse the entire system. Do you understand? If all are doing, if 9 of them are following the rule, all 9 of them are ready to do. But if one is not ready, then everything is lost. Imagine that's like a truck is there, and if a truck is having 10 tires, And if one tire is broken, then also it will not function properly. So one tire is broken, then also there is a chance that the truck will fall. If the two tires are there in one side, then sometimes it may not fall, but it will lose the balance. Then suddenly they have to change it. There are like some trucks and big containers and all are there. So in that one tire is there, so it will lose the balance. So we cannot say that it is not important, or that is the front tire is not important, or back tire is not important. Like that we cannot say. Everything is having equal importance. And imagine that is like a steering, okay, or a brake. Or you cannot say that a brake is not important, steering is important, it will go, and brake is not there, then it will go and blast somewhere. So all the type of things are required. Indicator is also important. Sometimes the people in UP and all, indicator is not much important because nobody is using it. But it will show you. See, like you are going there and you want to turn this side, and if anybody is about to overtake you, if you are showing the indicator, then the one who is coming behind, they will be able to understand that he is going to take diversion, so should not overtake. But if he is not indicating, there are hand signals. So in the big truck and container and all is there, on that if you show hand signal, it will not be visible out from the back. Okay, so there are each and everything are important, and there should be coordination of all these things, and continuously one by one these efforts has to be there. And coordination is a all-pervasive function. Pervasiveness refers to that truth which is applicable to all spheres and places uniformly. So means that this coordination is required in everything. Okay, whatever things, it is not only in an organization, as I told you, in your house or in your studies, even in our physical activities, the body that we are doing, everything the coordination is required. So whatever things that we are doing, we need a coordination. If you are making, if you imagine that you are playing a game, okay, cricket, so there are 11 players playing, so there should be coordination among the players. If one player is very good in batting, but bowler is simply throwing and making him to hit any all the balls six, then that team will fail. So there should be importance of bowler should be there. He should also do nicely. Batsman should do nicely. Keeper is there, then he should do nicely. And fielders are there; they should work nicely. So if all the 11 players are playing nicely, then only the team will be successful. If basketball is there, so there are 5 players playing. All the 5 players have to play. So our football is there are forward players are there, backward players are there, goalkeeper is there. All the players are very good, but the goalkeeper is not simply standing there. And if there, everybody will make goal. Okay? And if goalkeeper is also very good, but defense is not there, they are not defending, then they will come and attack. So, or imagine that if defense is very nice, goalkeeper is also very nice, but forward players are not playing, then they will not make any goal. The defense players cannot go forward and make goal. So when they come, they may not make goal, but that side also the goal may not be possible. And somehow, if they are able to get inside and make a goal, then that team will win. So coordination is required in any kind of all the kinds of activities. Even in our family, even in the school, it's like you are sitting all together. You are like if commerce batch is there, physics batch is there, let's say. Mathematics group is there, bio group is there, and one time you are for English and Hindi, you are coming together. So then you have to cooperate with them. So there should be coordination, And this period you are going and telling that you teach me English, and you are sitting there. And after that another period, the bio members they come and say that this period you teach me English. And after one period, the maths members they come and tell that if you teach us English, if they say like that, then English teacher cannot do. So you all should come together. There should be coordination. The period should have coordination, and such a way it should go. Then only the things will go smoothly. So coordination is required in everything. And coordination is responsibility of all managers. Okay, so we have studied about top level managers, middle level managers, and lower level managers. So coordination, making of coordination is not only the duty of the top level manager, or it is not only the duty of middle level managers, or it is not the duty of a lower level manager. All the managers have to. It is the duty of all the managers. All of them have to work for it. Okay, so top level managers see to it that all the departments are having coordination. Like there is like different departmental heads are there, and it is the duty of the top level manager to see to it that the production manager and our production department and the purchase department is having coordination, or purchase department and the finance department is having coordination. So all the departments should go smoothly. So that is the duty of the top level manager. And the production departmental head is there. So it is his duty to see to it that within his organization, all the members, all the managers are having coordination. And it is also the duty of the, like if there is a supervisor and under the supervisor there are 10 employees working. So it is the duty of the supervisor to see to it that all the 10 employees are working with the coordination. Do you understand? So it is required for all the levels of management. And another important one is that coordination is a deliberate function. What is the meaning of deliberate? Deliberate, purposefully. So doing something with a purpose. Deliberate, purposely doing. It is not accidentally taking place. Okay. Coordination is never established by itself. It is not established by itself. But it is a deliberate effort. Only cooperation does not suffice, but coordination is also needed. For example, a teacher aspires to teach effectively, but the timetable is not prepared in the school. This is a lack of coordination. In the situation, classes cannot be arranged for. Here, the effort made by the teacher is meaningless. In the absence of coordination, on the other hand, in the absence of cooperation, coordination dissatisfies the employees. Thus, both are required at a given point of time. So, it is a deliberate function in the sense that, as I told you, like if that I am thinking that I want to teach business studies and I want to teach you nicely. And thinking like that, I am coming to teach and I am preparing nicely and coming. And if my period is not allotted, I cannot come and teach. And once if my period is allotted and I am coming and sitting and going to take class, but only 1 or 2 are coming, then also there is no any benefit, because online class most of you are not watching, I know. So I am recording it and sending, and only my data is lost. Your data is never getting lost because you are not opening. Also many of you are not opening, not watching. So this is there. So but as a duty I am sending it. I know many of you are not watching, but also it is my duty to send, and you have to watch it then only. So you need to cooperate, then only the things will go smoothly. So the all of you have to. There should be coordination. Okay, if there are 20 students in the class, all 20 has to cooperate. Okay, then only the coordination can be possible. And also, like there are teachers are there, like physics teacher is there, maths teacher is there, or chemistry teacher is there, biology teacher is there, economics teacher is there, accountancy teacher, English teacher, Hindi teacher, all the teachers are there. So we need to have a coordination. If all the teachers are coordinating each other, so like sometimes we have classes like Sandu sir is coming and he cannot sit or stand for more time because he is having back pain. So sometimes he asks me to exchange the period. So I exchange. So I change it. Sometimes I am coming in accountancy period and he is coming in business period. You might have observed sometimes. Okay. So this is there because he is coming. So he may have like a first period he is having second period in 11th and sixth period is in 12th maybe. So if he is coming together, once if second and if my period is third period is in 12th, I give my period so that he will teach in 11th and 12th, and after that he can go and take rest. So and I am always here only, so anytime I can take, so I am not having any problem. So such a way I can arrange the things. So these are there, so we need to cooperate. So these are the coordination required. So if every whatever may be the people, all need to coordinate. And it is a deliberate function, means it is made officially. It is not coming by itself. Automatically it will not come. There should be purposefully we have to make it. Then only it will come successfully. So these are the different characteristics of coordination. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay then.